Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to download a video using Exoplayer in native Android application. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you the demo. So here I have one video playing on a network URL. So I will just pause the video for now. Now if I just want to download the button, I'll just click on this download button, and here in the notification you should see that the video has started downloading. If I want to remove the download, I can just click on the remove download and ignore this changed text for toast for now, but here you can see the download was removed as well. If I start downloading again, and suppose if I want to pause the download, I can just click on pause download as well. So here you can see the download was paused. If I want, I can just click on resume download, and you can see the download icon appears again in the top of the status bar. So yeah, that's what this is all about. Now I will let the video download. Later on I will tell you how to play the downloaded video as well. So let's get started. So first I have created a native Android application, and I am using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. Next, firstly inside Android manifest you will have to add internet permission. This foreground service and foreground data sync are for downloading the video, and this receive boot completed is again for downloading stuff. Now all the download code is pretty complex, like I have just copy pasted it from the documentation, so I won't try to explain it, but I will try as much as I can. And also here, as you can see, I have added this demo download service which you will have to add. Exported is false, foreground service type is data sync, and here I have added this media3 restart as well as category default, because download is such a complex process, especially for bigger files. That's why I have copy pasted and didn't try to apply my own logic to it, because it was pretty complicated for me. Next, I have added few this download icon as well as this done icon, so add whatever you feel like. And next is inside themes.xml I have also added this theme, so make sure you add this theme, as well as inside nights also I have added this theme. In strings.xml I have added few strings, so which you can just copy paste all this, but all these strings which I have. Next, inside build.gradle.kts, if you see I have added few dependencies. One is Exoplayer UI, then we require this coronet, this qual, and this coronet dependency as well. Like now these three are part of downloading the video, and I don't really know what each one exactly do, so I've just copy pasted it. Next, inside libs.versions.toml, so here you will have to add this media3 as well as media3 Exoplayer dependency, and also this checker call. Okay, so add this media3 data source coronet, media3 UI, then media3 Exoplayer, then checker call, as well as this extension coronet. So you will have to add this particular thing as well, and then just click on sync now. It will download all the dependencies for you. Then again I'll open my project, and here I will just firstly open activity_main. So here, as you can see, first is our player view which I have created. Okay, and some default all the buttons and constraint stuff, and then I have created one button for downloading, one button for removing the download, one button for pausing it, and one button for resuming the download. All right, next we have to create two dialogues as well. I'm not really sure where exactly we are using it. Like I told you, I've just copy pasted this, so again you can just copy paste and create this particular file, as well as this particular file which I have created, this view pager. Again, I'm not really sure where this is used, but yeah, I've just copy pasted it. So yeah, you can just copy paste these two files. Then firstly I will show you the download code, because that's the most tedious part. So firstly you will have to create one service called demo or download service. So I'll show you all the imports firstly, so just copy all these imports. Now I will just simply scroll through this because I'm not good at this. You can read the documentation if you want to, but I'll simply scroll through this. I have just copy pasted all this code. Okay, so this is all the code. Then if I go to demo util, here you can see this is another big file. So I'll show you the imports first. So these are all the imports. Then again I'll just simply scroll through this because even I'm not good at this. Okay, next then third is the download tracker. So again I'll just show you all the imports. Okay, and then this is the file. Okay, so this is done. So next what I will show you is, so I've shown you these three files. Then is the track selection dialog. Again, I'm not really sure what this is used for, but yeah, my project was not building, it was giving me an error. That's why I had to add this particular file as well. Okay, so that's it for the boilerplate code. Now coming back to our main activity. So firstly, here are all the imports for our main activity. If you want the documentation, you can check out this particular link to understand more about downloading. Here I have just created our Exoplayer as well as player view. The current item is 0, playback position is 0. Download manager, here is our video URI. Then inside on create, I have initialized our player view as well as download manager. Then here I have created one download request. So the first parameter which you see is actually the ID, but I think given that video URI for most cases would be unique as long as they are located on a network URL. That's why I have used video URI as the ID as well, but if you want you can use something different. Then on first download button, this is how you download the file. For removing, you can just download it, you can just do it like this. Okay, oh, I think I made a mistake. This should be something like this. Okay, and it still worked. Like, okay, so here you can see this is for pause download and this is for resume download. Okay, then here is our download manager's listener. Like particularly I didn't find it any useful, but in case if you want to tinker around with it, because I don't really understand all this code, there is much more value to all these files than what I have made use of. So maybe if you are if you are able to understand it better than me, maybe you might do something better. But yeah, even I'm not really sure what exactly like it does say download paused, but I didn't say this I didn't see this toast message, or so maybe I'm missing out something. So like I didn't see this toast message when I paused the video download process. Okay, then here is our resume. Here it is for destroy. We'll just format the code, and here is for pause, and here is our setup layer. Now ignore this cache data source factory for now. Here we are releasing our player, creating our player. then setting then once that is built, we are setting our player view to our Exoplayer, then we are passing our video URI, and here I am just playing our video. Now how to play video which is already downloaded? So for that you have to first create this cache data source factory, and then you can do something like this. Okay, so here you can add this import. So now if you run your app, provided the video is already downloaded for this particular video URI, it will start playing your video even if you disable network connection, like switch off your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and it will still work. Like if I try to show you the output, I won't be able to, because I am doing Wi-Fi debugging. That's why if I disable my Wi-Fi, I won't be able to show you the output, but trust me, it will work. So yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.